Hello everyone, today's I'll show you how to earn 0.49 BNB. Now I have 0.005 BNB on my wallet. First of all, we click on the browser button and search. Claim XION.lol. Foreigners has all information. XION is XION Market Foundation project. Connect your wallet. Copy the smart contract. Go back to your wallet. Click the Add Custom Token function of the app. Go back to your airdrop website, connect your wallet, then click Claim XION token. Button click Confirm to the website. Go back to your website. Connect your wallet. And click Swap button. And click Swap button. Wait transactions. Congrats, you received 0.49 BNB. But just enjoy a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop.